Here we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla Fielder. I've just installed a Vodafone Automotive alarm into this one. So this is just the essential pack. So it's got the Immobiliser, LEDs up here, everything's nicely hidden, honks the horn. So if I arm it, doors lock. Now this one didn't have any remote keys, so the customer's got two of these ones. Lock, unlock, do what they say, real simple. You can see the LEDs on the dashboard that will start flashing soon. And yeah, this one's a Jap import. So with the Fielder, if you have a New Zealand new one, all of the CVTs have a factory immobiliser, but the manual versions don't. Whereas this is a Jap import and this is a CVT, and it doesn't have the factory immobiliser, although interestingly it does have the grey key that suggests it does, but believe me, it doesn't. So if I break into the car, we're just going to unlock it manually and open the door. The alarm goes off straight away. If you have a Toyota Fielder that needs protecting, check out my website, which is vehiclesecurity.co.nz.